All right, so if your Bitwarden extension is not working, yeah, that can break your whole workflow. But don't worry, I'll show you the fastest fixes step by step. First, quick idea. Extension problems usually happen because of browser issues, extension bugs, or login problems. Start by refreshing your browser. Sometimes it's just a temporary glitch. Next, close and reopen your browser completely. Check if the Bitwarden extension is enabled. Sometimes it gets disabled without you noticing. You can also log out of your Bitwarden account and log back in to refresh your session. Make sure your extension is updated to the latest version because outdated versions can cause issues. Try clearing your browser cache and cookies to remove any stored errors. If you have multiple extensions installed, disable them temporarily. Some extensions can conflict with Bitwarden. If the problem still continues, reinstall the Bitwarden extension completely. Also check if Bitwarden servers are down because that can affect how the extension works. And make sure your vault is unlocked, otherwise autofill and other features won't work. So yeah, by following these steps, you should be able to fix most Bitwarden extension issues quickly. And, if this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. More tech fixes coming soon.